Drive traffic to your YouTube channel by creating this kind of animation using your smartphone. You may be wondering, you watch some videos, it's having millions of views. It's just using this kind, you're just doing this kind of video just by using your AI, your smartphone involved. You can also use laptop, you can also use your system, but I'm going to be using my phone to teach you because most people use phone to do this kind of animation. So I'm going to be using phone to teach you how to do this kind of animation. Just for you to understand this video, don't skip any part of it because it's super important that you don't skip any part of this video because it's a process that you need to undergo it one after the other. All right, you go to your ChatGPT, which is your AI. You click on it. Here is a description I've done using to create videos. So this one I say, write a perfect prompt to an AI image of, okay, now we should start our article of let's take for instance, okay, of a dragon with two heads, two heads. So let's see. So this is what AI brought. So you copy the text, then you go back to your browser. You go to your browser, you go to you click on you go to any browser, type indiogram.ai.com. You understand? Indiogram. So that's what you do. Look at it up here. So once you go to that site, then you click on this plus sign. You click on the plus sign. You insert your description here. We're about to create the image, so you click on it. So can you see it? We have done it. So you go to it. You, instead of here that they put auto, general, realistic, design, 3D, so you click on 3D, then click on the ratio you want it, either YouTube or this thing. So let's click on TikTok ratio. So we have done it. So you click on generate. This process will just take few seconds. So let's just wait few seconds. So these are the image created by people. So our image is still waiting. So it's waiting in the slow quest. So let's just wait. The image will soon come outside. Once the image comes outside, then we'll import the image to another website. Don't worry, that website you soon see it. So these are the process of creating video. There is the second process. The first process is by by using article to describe your image, using AI, that's ChatGPT, to describe your image. So after which you take it to Indiogram AI now will form the picture for you. Then on that site now we bring out the video. So this one now is showing, look at the dragon now. The picture is out. So can you see it? Let's click on the first one. So can you see the dragon with two heads? So let's use one of this picture out of it. Let's use one of this picture. I think we will use, let's make use of this. I like this one. So we are making use of this one. So we should click on it, save photo. So once we've saved photo, now you go back. You go to this on that website again. These are the three process you follow. This hello AI should just be jotting it down. This is the video that this is the place that produces that picture to video. So you go back. So as you are back now, so you click on this middle one. So you insert your picture here. Here's the picture. You click on it, then you click on you go back. There's a description once you insert that there. So let's go to our this thing so that we should not miss anything there. So generate motion with little camera. Generate motion with little camera movement. Generate motion with little camera movement. So this article here is very important. You should not miss it. So you click on this 30, you click on it to generate the video. See, I'm creating video. So these are the process. So it's creating our video now, but this process will take longer time. You understand? From 0 is counting. So this is the video I've done before. This is the video that I saw. This is the one I've done. So this is the video. Here is this one. So it's creating. It's from 0. Once it counts to 100, it will create the video. It will show this flying dragon. You understand? So these are the process of creating your video, your animated video. So if this video is super important to you, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share.